Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today's video, I wanted to show you how to get this 4th of July fireworks inspired makeup look. If you'd like to create this fun look, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So today's tutorial is going to be focused around the eye makeup. So hence I have done one eye already and I'm going to be doing the other one. I really wanted to have one ready so you can see what the look is going to come out like, and that way you can kind of play around with the colors and I can see how I really wanted the look to come out. So I'm really happy with the result. I feel like it's really festive, really patriotic, just something super different that I haven't done before. So I'm really excited to share this look with you all today. So to start today, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. And we're going to be using this red color right here. So I'm already done this eye, so I'm going to take the same brushes that I use. So this is the Farrah. This is again a really just fluffy blending brush. I'm going to dip into the color, tap off the excess, start right here at the edge. And you can see it's really nicely pigmented. And then I'm going to go sweep inward. Okay, and when you're doing this, you want to make sure you keep your eyes somewhat open so you can see where you're placing the color, and make sure that you're really placing it where is appropriate, because you want it to really pop. So you don't want to place it too low, too high. You want it to be in the crease but above and a little below as well, just like that. So once you've applied the color onto your eyes, you're going to take a blending brush, and then with the blending brush you're going to just go ahead and blend out the edges. And this is going to further diffuse those lines. And here at the edge, what I'm doing is I'm bringing it outward. That way it can be really nice and dramatic. Because today's a dramatic look, so we got to go for it. Next, we're going to be using one of these loose pigments. This is one of my favorite by Make Forever. This is a Starlit Powder. It is a beautiful, beautiful blue color. It's so pigmented. I love it. It's really, really nice. It's such a royal blue, and it's a really, really true royal blue. Now to prepare for the blue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack on, and I mean pack on, a lot of loose powder underneath. And the reason that I say pack on is because this will fall and get everywhere, and then it's really hard to undo the blue, especially underneath your eyes. So you want to put enough here. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take a flat tip brush and I'm just going to tap it into the cap with the pigment. So I'm going to just tap it in here and then tap off the excess. And then I'm going to apply it right onto my eyelid. And you guys can see that color is just amazing. I just love it. Like I said, it's just such a true blue, and it is just there to make a statement. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so tapping off the excess, and again, and I'm just pressing, as you can see, pressing the color right onto the eyelid. You don't want to sweep it across too much because then you will cause fallout. And again, it is a loose powder. So I'm going to be taking this Jaclyn palette right here, and I'm going to go into the color Bomb Ass, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use that to kind of blend right in between. So I'm going to be taking another blending brush, and this one is by Salon Miss Glam. And just packing into Bomb Ass, and once again, and then going right in between the two colors, the blue and the previous red that we used from the Huda Beauty palettes, and just blending right across. And this is going to add a bit of shimmer, a bit of dimension, and just really combine those colors really nicely. Next, we're going to be taking this eyeliner right here. This is by NYX, and this is in the color Baby Powder. It's really, really pretty. It's a soft, like almost white blue, so I love it, because it comes across as though it's white, and it also just matches with the blue that we put on our eyelid. So I'm going to just apply this to my waterline right here. Okay, just like that. Look at that instant pop. I mean, it really, really just makes your eyes stand out. So it just makes you look a lot more awake. Now I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay. This is the Heavy Metal Eyeliner, and this is in the color Spandex. So I love it to put it right here, sweeping it right across the lower lash line. So just as you would eyeshadow, you're just applying the eyeliner there. So now that I have the liner on, I'm going to be going into mascara. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Sumptuous Extreme. This is the 01 Black by Estee Lauder. So I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line as well as my lashes up top. Just give a really nice coat. And if you wanted to kind of jazz this up a bit more, You can always add a blue mascara, a red mascara, just to add another little pop of color. However, I did just want to stick with black because I felt like there was a lot going on already. Okay, so now that we have the eye makeup on, what's next and last is going to be lashes. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Ardell. These are the Studio Effects lashes, and these are the Demi Wispies. So I'm going to apply these on. So now I'm going to be moving on to the rest of the face. So to bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using the Morphe Debutante Bronzer. This has easily become one of my favorites. I've been using it in so many of my videos because I just love it. So I'm going to apply this onto my face right now to bronze up my skin. So I'm going to take this brush right here. This is by Eco Tools. Doesn't have a number, but this is the slanted blending brush. Or the angled blending brush, you would say. And I'm going to just come across and just contour right here. Okay, and now to kind of brighten up the skin, I'm going to be adding some blush. This is the Luminoso Baked Powder Blush by Milani Cosmetics. So I'm going to just take some big brush and apply it on. So pretty because it has a really nice glow. So next I'm going to be adding the Hustla Baby highlighter by Fenty Beauty. So pretty. So I don't want to add too much because I don't want it to overpower this look already. There's a lot going on, but I just want to add a little bit of a glow. And I love this because it just kind of warms up the skin and just makes it you look just extra glowy in those areas. Okay, and last but not least for today, we're going to be using the Liquid Matte by Huda Beauty. This is in the color Heartbreaker, and this is it right here. Super pretty color. I love this one. Okay, and this is the final result for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this 4th of July holiday super patriotic look. Super glam, super glittery, kind of like fireworks. And I had so much fun creating this look. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see next. I would love to create a look that you guys inspire or would recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please have a happy and safe 4th of July. Enjoy the fireworks and lots of fun barbecue time and time with the family. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.